everybody. Welcome to this free masterclass on how I made $5,000 online with a $7 offer. So, in case you guys are wondering who am I and why am I doing this masterclass in the first place, hi, I am Misbah, and I'm sure you must have seen me pop up in your feed at least once inside the System.io community. I am very active inside System.io Creators Group, and I'm always sharing value and trying to help people in the best way I can. I'm a marketing and a chatbot strategist, and I have helped my clients generate over 50K plus in sales revenue using powerful systems and latest marketing strategies. I have been working online for about 5 years now, and my work has been featured on hundreds of medias in the USA, including Fox, Digital Journal, and many others. Around the month of October, I launched my own viral $7 funnel called the System.io in a Box, which became very popular inside the System.io community. And this funnel alone has generated me over 1,000 leads and over $5,000 in pure profits within a single month. So this is what it looked like in my dashboard during the month of October. As you can see here, around October 3, I launched System.io in a Box, and I started getting a few sales around October 5th. And you can see every day this funnel was performing really, really well and up to November 5. So it's been a month, and I will be sharing with you more about this funnel.
Get access to the same 5-star rated all-in-one marketing platform that Misbah uses to build her marketing assets. It has all the tools you need to market, sell, and deliver your offers. You can easily create high-converting funnels, websites, blogs, courses, memberships, communities, webinars, plus email marketing and incredible automation tools. You can even build e-commerce stores and manage affiliates all in one place. They will even migrate your existing business for free. How cool is that? For a limited time, you can get up to 40% off right now and over $6,000 in free bonuses when you sign up today. These start at an insanely low $16 per month. Go to systembonus.com now or click link 2 in the description before this offer ends.
What is System.io in a Box? System.io in a Box is a funnel that sells the funnel itself, the low ticket offers, PLR packages, and affiliate offers all at once. It is easily clonable and customizable. Before launching System.io in a Box, I was thinking of a way where I could sell all of my offers at once without having to create different sales page or different offers for selling different offers at different times. I wanted all my offers to be sold in one go. And that is how System.io in a Box was created. The funnel has four main pages. The very front end offer, which is the very first page in the System.io in a Box funnel, is the $7 funnel with PLR rights. My customers who go through the System.io in a Box funnel, they have the chance to get their own System.io in a Box funnel and customize it as their own and resell it to whoever they want and keep 100% of the profits. This front end offer was so irresistible, and it was also a low risk offer, which is what attracted people in the first place to grab the $7 funnel. So basically, the exact funnel that they were going through was the exact funnel they will be getting and selling to their own audience. The next page in the System.io in a Box was an order page with an order bump. Now, order bump actually increased the value of my offer. And as an order bump, I was giving away a $27 promo email swipes. My idea behind the order bump was, okay, people are buying the $7 offer to sell to their own audience. What if people who are buying my System.io in a Box have an email list, they have an audience, an existing audience, and they want to promote System.io in a Box to their audience? Why can I not provide them with done-for-you email swipes that will make it easier for them to promote System.io in a Box to their audience, right? And this order bump was a win offer because people were buying the $7 funnel and they could not resist the $27 promo email swipes. The next page after the order page was the upsell page where I was selling the PLR package for $97. The PLR package was offered by System.io and it includes 8 high quality courses that are designed to help people to start and grow their online business and sell digital products online. The reason why this package sold so well, I sold about 30 packages inside the System in a Box funnel because this funnel is highly converting with the PLR package. Naturally, people, when they go to the funnel, the PLR package fits right into the funnel. And when people are going through it, they cannot resist it. I also found out that some people already had the PLR packages. So when they were buying the System IO in a box, they did not have extra work of creating irresistible sales page or irresistible upsell page for the PLR package. They could just, add their own resource or course area where people can access the PLR package inside their account. They did not have to work on creating an upsell page because I was already providing that inside the System.io in a box. So that is another reason why System.io in a box was a no-brainer deal for those customers who got it. And then last but not the least was the thank you page. And this time around, I created the thank you page in a really unique way. So instead of having a course area where people can access all the videos and trainings and bonus resources, I had everything added in the thank you page. So it's easy to go through it one by one. As soon as people are done buying the System IO in a box funnel, they will be taken to the thank you page where they can access all the resources and watch the videos to set up the System IO in a box funnel in their own account step by step. On this thank you page, I also had some affiliate links. For example, affiliate links to my System IO. I was even sharing the System.io share funnel, System.io in a box share funnel with them. So people who didn't have System.io and they were like coming to me through the System.io in a box, they were clicking on the share funnel link and signing up for System.io through my link. And in that way, I was making affiliate commissions through that. So you can see every offer that was added in the System IO in a box was very carefully thought. And my idea was that I wanted my customers to see every offer inside the funnel as their next step. And it makes logical sense to them while they are going through the funnel. But if you want, the idea is which you are going to learn more about in part 2 about creating funnels and having offers that make logical sense to your customers, and turn your funnel into profitable and high converting. By the way, if you guys want to check out and grab your own System IO in a box funnel for yourself, I have the link below this video so you can access it for just $7 and start using System IO in a box and start selling your own offers and PLR packages and earn affiliate commissions on the site. In this masterclass, you will learn how to create your first $7 offer, just like how I created my own System IO in a box funnel, which generated me 5K in a month. You're also going to learn how to make your first sale. So I'm going to share with you all my strategies that I used in order to get the results I got. Next, you will learn how to ramp up your business and make $5,000 in revenue or more with your $7 offer. Now, with that being said, I will also like to share with you some factors that really help me or influence the success that I generated within a short period of time. So, first of all, a positive mindset is very, very important. If I came online with the mindset that, oh, $7, it's not going to take me anywhere, it's not a profitable offer, it's not going to make me any revenue or leave me any profits. If I came in with that mindset, I am sure I will never have created this success that I did. I will have never generated this much money in such a period of time with just a $7 offer. Although there was offers behind in the back end once they go through the $7 funnel, but the idea is that, right? You need to have a positive mindset and be creative and look for ways on how you can add value and how you can come up with creative offers that your audience cannot say no to. Developing a positive mindset will open up doors of opportunities for you and will welcome new ideas and creative offer ideas that your audience have never seen before. Next, consistency. Posting today or showing up today and then hiding behind your screens for the rest of the week isn't going to work out for you, right? The online market has become super competitive. And if you're not taking the time, even if that's like 1 hour per day or 30 minutes, just 30 minutes each day, if you're not taking the time to show up and put yourself out there and your offers out there, you will soon be forgotten. Nobody will remember you and nobody will ever buy from you, right? Or if they buy from you, it's just going to be one time and then they'll forget about you. Because trust me when I say you're not the only one that have an offer, right? A lot of people have similar offers to what you have, and they're constantly showing up, they're constantly providing value, they're constantly interacting with their audience. So if you're not doing that on a daily basis, people are going to forget about you. You're not going to get noticed, and they will rather buy from your competitors because your competitors are constantly showing up for them. So remember that when you show up for your audience consistently, your audience is going to show up for you. Number three, adding value, right? Everyone out there wants to be listened. They want to see that you care, that you are there to answer the questions, you are there to provide them guidance and helpful insights. If you are always showing up just to sell, 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 and you're not actually providing or adding any value in their lives, they're not going to buy from you. So try to understand your audience. Try to see what exactly do they need? What kind of support do they need from you? What kind of guidance? What kind of questions do they have? And try to help them, try to provide value, try to give them or make their life easier through maybe helpful advice, maybe some kind of guidance, which, doesn't cost them hands and legs, right? When you add value to people's life, they will remember you for years to come by. And when they are ready to actually buy or invest, you will be the first person that will come to their mind. So keep these three factors in mind. And with that, let's start with part one of the masterclass. I'll see you there.